I told you there'd be a storm. There's no better way to start your day than running across someone performing a questionable U-turn. When I first saw the trunk open, I thought, hey, maybe there's a hostage trying to escape. But no such luck. So I'm parked in a mostly empty parking lot, and this idiot decides he has to park next to me. The lane on the right was intended for apartment residents to merge into traffic, but apparently this guy didn't get the memo. It's been a while since I've seen anyone run out of gasoline. And the car in front of me is turning into a strip club parking lot. Who goes to a strip club at 10 a.m.? The driver to my right decides to change lanes despite the fact that there's no traffic in front of him. My first thought was, why is this guy stopped at a green light? Then I noticed the Shred It truck backing out. I guess someone somewhere must have had a shredding emergency. If you must park a large vehicle on the street, please don't do it at the crest of a hill. This is a head-on collision waiting to happen. The car in front of me ignores the no through traffic sign. Once in front of me, he's now behind me. Despite having a green arrow, I had to yield to this guy making a right-hand turn. How do you make bad traffic even worse? Of course, throw in some double parking. Now it's time for everyone's favorite game show, Count the Number of Red Light Traffic Runners.
That was just ridiculous.
I thought this was simply just a stalled car until I checked the rear camera. And for that, I'm giving you a Bonehead Award. That's not the turn lane. You know how I know? Because I'm in the turn lane. How does this guy still have a driver's license? Someone please revoke it. And for that, I'm giving you a Bonehead Award. Why am I surrounded by such bad drivers? I can't take this anymore. Serenity now! Serenity now!